Alright, here's a quick video. Hit the like and subscribe button if it helps you out. There's Mr. Finn.
Oh, boys! I'm back!
I just got back from vacation. I was down in North Carolina. And when I go fishing down there, I take a little travel rod with me, which there'll be a link in the description for this. It's telescopic. Just keeps coming out and gets longer and longer. It's kind of neat. Holds up pretty good. But my favorite reel that I travel with, which is right here, it's a Sougayilang, which was just a. When I first started fishing about 7-8 years ago, I was just buying whatever I could find on Amazon that was cheap, and this looked cool. But however, now this falls off because while I was down there fishing off the pier, the retaining nut that goes right here, nut screw, was loose and then flew off into the abyss of the ocean. So I just got my package from Amazon that said, hey, you can buy replacement parts. So we're going to see if this works. And here they are, package of 4, actually a package of 5. Of course, you can guess where they're made at. So I'm going to take one of these out of here and see if it works. I'm right-handed, so this should just screw right in. Wish me luck. And it's screwing right in. The old one was chrome. Back in business. This is actually my favorite reel. I mean, it's got this big oversized handle. You can push right here and the handle collapses for travel. Like that. This string will be linked in the description too. It's high vis braid. So that's it. I'm going to give this little product. Came with washers too, which I'm going to put in there. I think it was $3.99. Yeah, so we'll do another put together on this using one of these washers. The advertisement online, I didn't think this one came with the washers. Of course, they're tiny. Tiny little red washer. And they're tight. I don't know why that's so tight. Maybe to prevent it from not falling out. Oh, you're going to make me screw that thing all the way on. So these are tight washers that are going to need to be threaded on. Again, these are supposedly universal, so if you have a reel that's lost one of these, I think they're all the same size. There you go. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out.